Hello everyone, welcome to Tutorial Expert. In this video I'm going to show you how to install Photoshop AI Generative Fill. Now, if you want to install the Adobe Cloud Photoshop AI, first you need to be on their plan that supports it. You need to have Photoshop in your plan if you want access to that beta. So first what you want to do is take a look at the left side and search for beta apps. You click on that and you will see Photoshop beta right over here. Now I have already installed it, but if you don't have it installed, here it's going to say install as it says right over here. Then what you need to do is just click on install and follow on-screen instructions. Once it has installed, then you just click open. It's going to start loading up the Photoshop and you will get hit with this screen. You can click try now or you can click done. If you click done, you just need to create a new file, create it, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and also if you want to support the channel, click the first link in the description.